I got trinkets? I got trinkets! Don't pressing 0. Okay. The menu is fine and all. Odo came to satisfy her. They went to at my veggie field and talked. But no way. Doing fine. Even so, as usual, I'll be disgusting, so if you hear a fart in the background, mind your goddamn business, you know? When I, like... must be crawling with them. Sif and I will kick your butt. I would love to, but they let everyone and aren't shy about sharing their knowledge. Welcome everybody. Alright, let me move chat. Shit happens. How can I be of assistance to you? What do you need, boy? So it's really just up for grabs, unfortunately. I was thinking like that's all I want. But what was it? Would be Mirabelle, who that sounded juicy. Heal them without being touched. Fuck! You know what? Yeah. Are you into getting your dick bitten off? They're very special when equipped. Okay, and now I got a crest. You look much more confident in yourself. I went to talk to Loop, and I have to talk to Mirabelle. I love the goddamn babies. They're so cute. There he is, babies. For 8 hours. I didn't even know it was for 8 hours. It was a lot of fun, for sure. You managed to beat the king, and you feel stronger. And I know you're horny for Loop, but goddamn, bro. And whiskey too. So I've been doing that. And I'm glad you think I'm good or doing good. Talk to him and ask him a little bit more. A little bit more. And we can't fucking remember the damn place. So much so that it fucking. Alright, what we got? Jesus Christ. That's fucked. And either way, now I don't know what to do. Type shit. You know? But. Oh, I'm struggling. Is this actually like. Carefully takes the book in their pants, and it makes sense, doesn't it? Read the books on the floor too. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill you all! How are you even reading this? Letter's bad. I can't read it at all. Oodle. Ah, yes, Oodle. I asked her that the end was coming to make it. This journey won't be over yet. I had the introduction, the power of boaters. I might have believed it. Mama. Oh, mama, baby, no. What was I saying? Oh. Yeah, the fucking. Then feel free to tell me.
Why did I stick it in my drawing tablet?
Nah, I don't fight with short people.
Mohi, what happened? Did that start academia? Am I a bullies and dress? I might actually have to open this shit. And then you be a girl, I be a guy?
Yeah.
Alright, how do I...
Clock belt.
Borger.
There's some...
Yeah.
There we go. I was moving on my fucking... Vice stick if I remember correctly. Which is funny though, yeah, speaking of Rose... Because like I... And... They might actually... That's right. Cannon crabs is almost impenetrable. I... Okay, let me just unship. It's just...
B3.
Okay, so let me... What? That's why... What jumps on you?
I don't know what's going on.
I never know what's going on. I learned a little bit about the Dragon Ball lore from... But... I learned a little bit on... Don't get me wrong. I get it, but like... Oh my god, fuck off! I plan on sticking my 6 to 8. Oh no, every time I go over to... Oh no. I think that'd be funny. You're right, hold on. I have to... Alright, thank you. Either like... Or like, what the fuck? That did nothing. What the hell? Alright, fuck you.
What the fuck? No.
Why isn't he right there? Try any and all game. But I won't do,
Good caves where your journey
as long as you
begins.
don't fucking figure out the cause. So, wouldn't that make... These bosses are kicking my ass. 10 minutes course. You know, it's crazy to think... Whatever. Hell yeah. I'm glad it finally worked. Yeah, the noise that... or the onomatopoeia that they gave to this... Prepare savories.
Cows.
The... for any of them. But I might get messed up. Oh man, it's so funny. I'm gonna forget that one. I know it. That'll be all right. But I'll rage y'all motherfuckers out to it. I don't think they... I knew it was being funky, but I didn't know it was being that funky. I think it's one of those things that I know I can't trust. Where is it? What the fuck? Oh hey, Muppin's playing. There was a... damn. I didn't know about all that. What? Fine, I'll answer. What's your question? Get him, not me. See, he's being a bitch. Get him. It is Miss Coochie.
Let's go. That'll be your name. I'm playing.
Yes. Thank you, because...
Why can I hear us? Shit. I'm really good.
Scream for the people. Billy Mays here.
Yes.
Boy, man, you're trying to suck your cock.
I was gonna say, wasn't there a backup from the mic, bitch? Oh, was there any symbol, any noise? Oh,
I have no idea.
where we're going?
Okay.
Yoshi.
Yoshi.
So people can.
Alright.
They're nothing but good.
No.
You know, hair job is a thing. If there's, alright, I'm putting on the gaming stream. The insurance. Before I had government internet. Or pickles. I have to. Yeah. I'm coming to fix it. Hold on. There we go. Yeah. But overall, they started. And holy shit! Just the vibrators are small. Sex robots. That's what I'm saying. Like, depending on what you deem, bro. Me. I don't know. The moving was a bitch.
Dog,
Hi.
so funny.
Yep. This is very.